The 3 lessons that every mix engineer learned in mixing music too late. Hey, my name is Guan Zhang. Today, I'm gonna be telling you about the 3 lessons that every mix engineer learned in mixing music too late. The lesson number 1 is always be hungry for new thing, method, tools, and idea. Why? Because there is always something that you can get from. It might give you a higher quality working result and faster working speed, or you can combine something that you already know and is new to you. Then you can create a whole new idea or thought. The lesson number 2 is listen to the music that you are not do it. Why? Because no matter what kind of the music you are working the industry you are going for, you are pursuing your career, or you are working for your client, actually you are already sculpting your own unique taste from the music you listen. So you listen to. So it's very important towards your mixing work in the future. It will give your mixing work some impact. And the lesson number 3 is stay calm when you see the sales deals like
if you don't buy, you're gonna die. This summer, the special price.
Because it will be just like you will buy low gear that you will never or you will just never use for over 10 times. You will never use for over 10 times in your life. So rather than just buying low gear, I will highly recommend you to invest here. Why? Because here is just the right secret weapon for you. So this is all today I have for you. If you think this video is gonna help you, or you would like to learn more about the musical production, tips and tricks, and the mixing techniques, please click the like button below, and I appreciate. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.